Good morning. Meron na naman po tayo isang kliyente na ang problema daw nila ay ang coffee machine. Ngayon, checkin natin kung magagawa natin ng paraan kung ano nga bang problema yon. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gagawin natin doon. Ito, pumasok ako sa loob ng Arts of Living.
Before we want to know what is this 11. Okay. Before in the morning, when we switch it on, it was showing the low pressure, like temperature was 0. So I tried to do some settings and it came, but I think it needs service.
Okay, I check na. Bali, itong nakikita natin ng error 11 nung tinignan ko sa manual niya is battery daw yung ano niya, may problema. Ito yung Eagle 1 Victoria Arduino, yung error 11. And buksan natin itong sa panel board niya. Ito, tingnan natin ito, battery. Yan, ito. Yan, battery yan. Tingnan natin.
A few moments later.
Ngayon, bali nakahanap na ako ng battery. Nabalikan ko na yung aking ginawang coffee machine. Susubukan natin yung battery. Ngayon, bali bumili na ako ng battery. Ito ilalagay natin, sigurado na to. Ayan yung alarm 11 ang alarm. Subukan natin yung settings. Password is 1936 enter. Sige, makikita mo yan. Maintenance, yung alarm history. Ayan lahat ng mga history. Battery, maintenance alarm active, battery dashboard, maintenance alarm active, battery dashboard. Puro battery. Puro battery. Ayan, ulit natin. See? Before it's 11 here. No, it's not. Okay. Now, okay na. Okay, that's all.